Hello creating family, Alice here. Have you ever imagined earning up to $40 just by reading simple documents? Well, today I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. Stick with me to the end because there's one crucial step that you must take before you can get hired and even start earning. If you miss this crucial step, you will not even be qualified to get paid. So let's dive in. First, visit this website hireaproofreader.com. I'll be leaving the link in the description for you to access it easily after watching this video. Once you get there, you create an account to get started. This platform connects clients who want their documents to be proofread to people like you who will help them make sure that this work is error-free. When you scroll down the site, you will see profile of other professionals who are offering proofreading services. Once you have set up your profile, you will join them and client can directly reach out to you for jobs. No need to pitch or search for client actively. This platform handles the heavy lifting for you. How cool is this? Before I explain how you can get paid, let me let you know that hireaproofreader.com is not just the only platform that you can render your proofreading services in return earn money for it. There are several others and I will share this with you as well. Proofreadingservice.com, this platform pays between $19 to $46 per hour. However, you need to pass through a skill test to be qualified. The second website is proofreadingservice.com, not to be confused. Other website I mentioned before, which is still proofreadingservice.com, is not as same as this one, proofreadingservice.com. If you notice the URL, one has iPhone and the other one does not have iPhone. These two platforms, they are different platforms. How you will know that is a different platform is through the URL. This second one, each of the word has iPhone, but the other one, the words are just joined together. So there are two different platforms. Please take note. The third platform, Redseed.com, this platform pays between $50 to $30 per hour for proofreading books, journal, magazine, or any other material. The fourth platform, which is Gramcom, here you can earn average of $30 per hour proofreading books, journal, magazine, or editing tasks. I've put the link to all the websites in the description, so feel free to explore them. Let's talk about how much you can earn. For example, on hireaproofreader.com, the pay ranges from $10 for every 1,000 words to higher amount depending on the complexity of the job. Similarly, other platforms offer competitive rate and you can maximize your earning by signing up on multiple platforms. As I promised earlier, here is the critical step that you must take before you can get accepted in hireaproofreader.com. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. Here is the critical step that you must take before you can get accepted in hireaproofreader.com. You need to earn a professional certificate. Luckily, they offer free courses on their other website, which is proofreadanywhere.com, to help you become a certified professional. At proofreadanywhere.com, they offer a variety of courses tailored to boost your skill and equip you for the work ahead. The beautiful part is these courses are free and they even offer you certificate upon completion. How cool is this? For example, they offer free 7 days course that will equip you to kickstart your proofreading career. How cool is this? Once you've completed the course and earned your certificate, your profile will be featured on hireaproofreader.com, making it easy for clients to find you and hire you. Note that this certificate is valid for other platforms, which even give you the opportunity to earn more. The best part is you don't need to hunt for clients. The platform handles that for you. All you need to do is to focus on completing the task and delivering a good job. So whether it's proofreading documents, journals, novel or magazine, you will be paid for doing what you love doing, which is reading. If this sounds like a side hustle to you, don't wait. Get started today by checking out the links in the description. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comment if there's a topic you want me to cover in the future. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share. There are thousands of people out there who are looking for legit way to make money online. You sharing this video might just save someone's life. And before you go, check out this recommended video showing on your screen right now. It's actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way.